Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I have a super cute gnome to paint for you guys today. So let's get started. I'm going to go in first with the color Cotton and paint his beard. And all the colors I use today are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase on our website, buildacross.com, along with the brushes, paint, cutout, and Sharpie brush stroke marker that I use throughout the video. I went in with soft pink for the inside of his ears, and I'm going in now with Savannah Mist for the fur on his ears. And I'll also be using this color for his feet and hands. And I'm going in now with the color Daisy for his hat. Now that everything's dry completely, I'm going with a Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline everything. And once I'm done with that, I'll go in with the number 4 round, and I'm going to highlight everything using white on anything that has color, and then using Savannah Mist on his beard. And then I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.